Looking for nomadic storage? Opt for this dessert. This kitchen trolley will look great in your room. So get extra storage and easy to move. This ultra-decorative storage will allow you to store or display your personal small items in style. This attractive trolley will move easily thanks to its wheels. It will be perfect for storing condiments in the kitchen. Versatile and beautiful storage unit, designed mainly in wood, this trolley brings a natural and warm touch to your home. Its compact dimensions of 15 by 44 by 91 centimeters allow it to be easily integrated into various spaces, whether in the kitchen, living room, or even a waiting room. One of the most popular features of this trolley is its mobility. Equipped with wheels, it moves easily from room to room, providing portable and convenient storage. Whether you need to carry condiments in the kitchen or decorative items in the living room, this trolley will meet your needs in style. In addition to its functionality, the Chef Kitchen Trolley stands out for its ultra-decorative design. Not only can you store your personal small items, but also display them in style. Its neat and modern aesthetic fits perfectly into various decoration styles, adding a touch of pep to your home. Home Deco Factory, the brand behind this trolley, is known for its quality products that modernize and beautify living spaces. With this trolley you get a piece of furniture that is both practical and decorative, designed to meet storage requirements while adding a modern touch to your home decor. Finally, this trolley is ideal for those looking for extra storage without sacrificing aesthetics. Its wooden composition gives it considerable strength and durability, while its compact dimensions and mobility make it a perfect choice for maximizing space in any room of the house.